Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make your Samsung mobile display screen always stay awake just by looking on it. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone. So firstly, let me show you by going to the settings. So let me go to display firstly and just let me change the screen timeout. So let me set it to 15 seconds just to give you an example. And now what you need to do is just go to this option, advanced feature, and you will see one option, motions and gestures. Just tap on it, and here you will see one option, keep screen on while viewing. Just enable this option. Once you enable these options, when you are looking at the screen, your Samsung smartphone display screen will stay awake. So right now I'm looking on it, so it will use the front camera in order to detect you. So let me give it for almost 15 seconds, which is my screen timeout. So you can see it's staying awake. Now let me try to tilt it on other direction, and we'll wait for 15 seconds. I'm not looking at the mobile display screen, so you can see it's going to screen off. So you can see, so just by enabling this option, you can make your Samsung mobile display screen always stay awake just by looking at it. So if you never known about the cool options available on your Samsung smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.